World Environment Day celebration on Zoom meeting. So let us do our prayer. So let us grant us the wisdom to care for the earth until it. Help us to act now for the good of future generations and all our creatures. Help us to become instruments of a new creation founded on the convenient of your love. Thank you. So World Environment Day 2021, restoring ecosystem and raising awareness. So that is the this year theme. So we have to follow that. Restoring ecosystem and raising awareness. So now coming to the topic, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi he will release a report on ethanol blending as a part of an event making Environment Day. So that is as a part of today's event, he is giving a blending of ethanol in petrol. So that is today he is releasing that report on the meeting. The main topics of this year are World Environment Day and nature. On June 5th, every year, the nature empaths around the globe celebrate World Environment Day, encourage awareness and observe its protection. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been celebrated, engaging governments, business, and citizens in an effort to address pressing environmental issues with participation from over 143 countries annually. Now coming to the history of World Environment Day, it came into existence in 1972 by the United Nations Assembly on the first day Stockholm Conference held on the human environment, and later in 1974, the day started to be celebrated with the theme Only One Earth. That is 2013, the anthem was launched on the occasion of World Environment Day in New Delhi. Over the years, the day became a global platform for raising awareness and taking action on urgent issues from marine pollution and global warming to sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. Now, the theme of the year 2021. This year, the theme of World Environment Day is reimagine, recreate, and restore. Reimagine, recreate, restore. The global host for the day in 2021 to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration is Pakistan. That is, the Pakistan is the host country this year, and they are highlighting the importance of ecosystem restoration this year. According to the WED website means World Environment Day website, every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest cover a football pitch. And over the last century, humans have destroyed half of the wetlands. So that is our Kolleru Lake is also international wetland that also completely destroyed by the human. As much as 50% of coral reefs have already been lost, and up to 90% of coral reefs could be lost by 2050. So very, very dangerous. Even if global warming is limited to an increase of 1.5 degrees Celsius, the theme means to prevent, halt, and reverse this damage, to go from exploiting nature to healing it. This World Environment Day will kick off the global mission to revive these billions of hectares. The theme focuses that healthy ecosystems can enhance people's livelihood, counteract climate change, and stop the collapse of biodiversity. In Uttarakhand, the state's forest department, on the event of the World Environment Day, released a list of 1,576 plant species conserved, including the ones that are unique to the Himalayan region, apart from the or endemic to the Himalayan region. The list also includes those species declared threatened in the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threats. Apart from these, numerous members of parliament across parties have pledged to go vegan for the day. So vegan means they are not at all taking any of the animal food, that is even the milk from the cattle. So that also they didn't take as food material. So that is the vegetarian. So vegetarian means that by foregoing meat, dairy, and other animal derived food to raise awareness. In a study in the journal Nature, it is found that greenhouse gas emissions from food systems would be reduced by half if the world turned to a mainly planet-based diet. Researchers at the University of Oxford also found that every person who goes vegan lowers their carbon footprint by up to 73% and saves nearly 200 animals per year. So any one of us, so all of us, we have to try to be vegetarians, so that we will completely reduce the carbon footprints. COVID effect on environment. Even though the lockdowns helped the environment to breathe better air quality for a while, but according to the Central Pollution Control Board, India has produced 45,308 tons of biomedical waste between June 2020 and May 10th, 2021, an average daily generation of 132 tons of COVID-19 related waste. This is in addition to the 615 tons of biomedical waste a day being produced before COVID-19, amounting to a 17% increase in biomedical waste generation solely because of the pandemic. Notwithstanding the proceedment health and environmental crisis, the experts said there are ways to minimize this damage. Individuals needed to consciously reduce their plastic footprint with the help of a comprehensive strategy and comprehensive roadmap. So here, the COVID effect on environment, try to, that is minimize the use of the COVID-19 biomedical waste. If these wastes are there, so try to um, uh, manage the solid waste or biomedical waste in a proper manner. Or some persons, they are transforming this COVID masks, etc., and PPE kits, etc., into some solid materials like bricks. They are preparing bricks, that is, they are utilized to construct any of the houses or any of the constructions. So now coming to the some of the slogans for this year. They are: a good planet is hard to find. Deserts and desertification. Don't desert dry lands. Time for nature, only one earth. If you cannot reuse it, refuse it. Join hands to save environment. Keep calm and go green. Plant a tree today. That is, plant a tree today. So that is the main slogan of this day of St. Teresa's College. As a student, what we have to follow. So we have to follow some of the methods to conserve our nature for our future generations. They are the plantation activity. The second one, water conservation, that is for both our household purpose and also for the plantation purpose, agriculture fields, etc. And solid waste management and clean and green. Then all this information share with others, that is share awareness. So all these are very simple things. If you follow all these, our we will have a better future. Thank you so much. Thank
Hi everyone. What is the importance of today? Today is World Environment Day, June 5th. Here you can see a canopy of trees. Here I will give one quotation. It is very familiar. Nature is the art of God. So, in the nature, we can see the art of God in various forms. We can see the hills, plants, snow covered mountains. We can also see the water bodies, deciduous forests. We can also see the rainbow. We can enjoy in the rainy day. And we can see the sunrise and sunset. We can see the cranes. We can see the dancing peacock. We can observe very closely the beetles, the hummingbirds. We can see the butterflies. And so we can say beauty is the gift from God. Here you can see the rice fields also here. So like that we can get many more examples in nature. What are we getting from nature? Just recollect once again. We have water resources, we have forest resources, and we have plenty of food resources. We have mineral resources and we have energy resources. All these are coming from our nature. So what should we do? We should have a right understanding at each level. An individual makes a family. Some families make a society. All the societies make one nature. In the individual, there should be a clarity. And then in the family, justice is seen. In the society, peace prevails. And finally, in the nature, coexistence is seen. So we should have a right understanding at each level. Here you can see the holistic perception of harmony at all levels of existence. So individuals make a family, families make society, societies are a part of nature. Let us know some more points related to nature. There are some orders of nature. There are 4 orders: material order, pranic order, animal order, and human order. Material order includes everything material that is present around us. Pranic order here includes plants. Animal order includes animals. Human order includes all our human beings. All these 4 are interconnected. We'll see the interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment in nature. These 4 orders, they are not at all isolated. They are interconnected, and the relationship between these orders is in such a way that they fulfill each other and coexist with each other. Each one nurtures and nourishes the others. All these are part and parcel of nature and existence. We, the human beings, are connected to all the orders in the existence. Here in this picture, you can see very clearly the material order provides everything to plants and also to human beings. The plants, in turn, they are enriching the soil. Next, this material order is providing everything to animals, and in turn, animals are enriching the soil with their excreta. And again, plant order, if we see the plants, they are enriching the material order, and in turn, the material order is enriching the plant order. Likewise, the plant order is helping the animal order, animals also they are helping the plants. And then the material order is helping human order, animal order is also helping human order, plant order is also helping human order. But in turn, you can see the question marks here. What the human beings are giving to material order, to plant order, and what they are giving to animal order. It is still a question mark. What are we doing in return? Disturbing the balance among the other three orders. So human order is responsible for all the problems like pollution, resource depletion, extinction of animals, global warming, etc. So, what is our responsibility? Earth and sky, wood and fields, lakes and rivers, mountain and the sea are excellent schoolmasters and teach us more than we can ever learn from books. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. These words are from Albert Einstein. Take time to reconnect with Mother Nature. We are one and the same. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. So, take home message on this day. Grow plants, save earth. The most important moment of our life is now. It never comes back. These words are given by Apoorv Dubey. Thank you so much.
Add greenery to an animal, make it fresh and alive.